ng mahigit 15 miyembro na magpatangay sa hangin. At malalaking alon ng Taal Lake sakay ng kanilang mga bangka na sila mismo ang gumawa.
Boating is the best. And then using your own boat that you built yourself, it's cheaper.
Libre pa hangin.
Libre pa hangin. Libre pa hangin. Walang gasolina.
The sound of the water and the free air, it's very relaxing.
At habang sinasagupa ang malaking alon at malakas na hangin, sa loob ng bangka, mas lumalalim ang kanilang samahan.
All of you have roles to play. Crew, communication nyo kailangan importante. It's teamwork.
This is my son, no? Ano siya, animator, no? With the boat, nagkaroon kami ng bonding.
At kapag may nasiraan, daig pa ang Coast Guard ng ibang kabarkada sa bilis ng pagsaklolo.
Standard na yung may cellphone kaming dala, waterproof case, ganyan, just so that we can call each other.